Guys, I'm super excited. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. So today where I work, we've decided to decorate a Christmas tree. Today happens to be my first time decorating a Christmas tree, and yeah, I'm going to show you all the process and the outcome, so stay tuned.
How possible? Oh, you have to take this one off. A comb. Because it's supposed to come off before you can put this one inside. Or it's broken. I think this one is part of this one, and it got broken and got stuck inside this one. And wait, this is a super glue. Hey, Madam Carpenter. It's coming out.
I don't think you are supposed to take it out. It looks like a star. Like
I think it was part of the other. This one, yes.
Maybe there's something there before this one will come.
Mommy. Oh, okay. Right. Thank you.
Then two should be there, then two should be there. Yeah, I'm going to
This one should be there.
the Christmas tree is even taller than me. Bonjour.
Tu parles français avec anglais avec moi, je parle français. Oui. Donc, si tu dis bonjour. Good morning, c'est bonjour.
Then also,
Bonjour aussi. It's like I'm saying good morning.
so I also say bonjour.
Oh, okay. Ça va?
Très bien.
Ça va bien.
Ok, ça va bien. The lady. What is it? Good morning. Please, I'm looking for Aurelina. Hey, Angelina, sorry. Okay, thank you. Bonjour. Très bien. Look, I'm looking for Angelina. Please, who is the teacher? Okay. Please, Miss Faith said that she told you that she has an appointment at 11. So, when is 11? They should come. Thank you. You're welcome. Guys, we are going to we are going to decorate the Christmas tree, and I'm super excited about it. I'm behaving like a child, but yes. So now we are sorting out the bulbs, the balls to put on the flowers. So that I will hang you up. We are not done, but it's looking nice. Yes, this is my first time decorating a Christmas tree.
This partition, no, come, let's do it. One is 2 to 3, we are busy. Let's do it. When she come, Where's Marina? Yes. Where will we plug the lamp? So both to color.
Create a whole first.
Is this straight? Yes, it's straight.
Guys, this is how the tree turned out. I'll go back so that you guys, we actually did a good job, but I didn't know it takes like a lot to create or make a Christmas tree. It was really stressful because we had to fluff the tree out and get the exact thing. So this is the outcome. This is how the tree is looking like. It's a very, very giant tree. It's really nice. So guys, we finally built the tree and I've showed you how it's looking like. It's a really big tree, and this is the completion. So it was fun decorating the tree and it was difficult at the point, the fluffing out and everything, but at the end we finished and it's looking nice. So basically that's it. See you guys in my next video. You know what to do. Comment, like and subscribe. Until then, peace and love. Say peace. Say peace and love.
Peace and love.